Busy morning, I've got a 10-step 20-minute makeup routine that gets you camera ready, fresh, natural and long lasting. No fuse, no heavy contouring. Perfect for every morning you don't have time to think. Let's go. First thing you want to do is to make sure you cleanse your face, okay? Cleanse your face. A toner is important to clean your face using a cotton pad. And this toner right here is the Thea facial toner. And if you do not have this, you can actually get this. Ghanaian skin are perfect, both are nice for all skin type. Allow your toner to dry down, and the next thing you want to do is to apply an hydrating spray. And you can also use a rose water to achieve this. If you have rose water, fine, you are good to go. I always start up with an SPF and a moisturizer, and this Zaron moisturizer it just make my skin to glow and to look hydrated and more refreshing. Hi guys, my name is Mamus Ate. If you're stopping by for the first time, please do well to subscribe to this beauty channel. Today I want to show you a quick makeup routine that you can do for 10-20 minutes or less. If you are short on time but still want to look put together, this routine is for you. If you also want your finished look to look radiant and not cakey, then keep watching to the end. Always remember to use lightweight products or gel moisturizer for busy mornings as a mom or as a lady going out, okay? It makes your makeup to last longer, and it makes the makeup step to be much easier when you apply or use lightweight water-based products, depending on your skin type, okay? Next is primer. And for primer, you want to use a soothing primer, okay, that reduces fine lines. All you need to do is make sure you apply on your T-zone and every part of your face. For me that have an oily skin, I usually combine my primer. When I'm done using the first primer, because I have a oily skin, when I'm done using the first primer, I like to go in with this Nigerian based affordable primer just on my T-zone. Okay, my T-zone are the areas where I have more oils. Remember, it's best to pat the product in, okay, and a primer with SPF if you are heading outside. With this NARS Sheer Glow Tinted Foundation, it gives me a very natural look, and I love how it just makes my skin to glow, and it's also lightweight, okay. One pump of this is just the right amount you need. NARS Tinted Glow Booster Foundation. With this foundation, you are good to go. You'll be glowing all day long. One of the easy ways to blend your foundation is either you use a beauty sponge or you use a foundation brush. Just make sure you do what works best for you or what is easier for you to use. Just another hike. For a busy morning, a tinted moisturizer or light coverage foundation speed you through your makeup process. Okay, you can apply lightly using a brush on your forehead, your cheek, your chin, your nose, blend outward, or you could use a damp beauty sponge for quick, even coverage. For darker, mature skin, you can use thin layers and stipple instead of dragging to avoid settling into fine lines, okay? You can see the way I am just dabbing. Guys, you can see the combination of my NARS Tinted Glow Booster and the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation 451 Fenty Beauty. This too is a must, and we are done. You are good to go. Check out the glow, the skin glow and the skin match, okay? For busy mom, busy mornings to work or for appointments. It's Christmas period. You'll be having a lot of dates, brunch. This is easy. Next is concealer, and I'm going in with the e.l.f. concealer. You can use concealer only where it is truly needed, and I'm doing this just under my eyes, the outer corner of my eyes. Okay, concealer can be skipped, but I'm just using this in the inner corner of the eye, under the eye triangle, for any redness or dark spot. Okay, and then you can apply with a small brush or your finger, or you can also go back to your beauty blender. Just make sure that you avoid over applying under the entire eye. Less is more when it comes to makeup products. Okay, all you need is a brighter finish. Concealer, I went in with a very little amount. You don't need to do too much. Okay, all you need is brightness under your eye to give your face a more definition. As you can see, my face is a bit uplifted and you are good to go. Next you want to do is to take your pressed powder, and this one here is one of my favorites, the Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder, and this is in the shade tan. Yeah, shade 3 tan. I'm using this finishing powder to just quickly set lightly only on the T-zone and under eye with a tiny amount. Okay, and this matches my skin tone well. Mashing powder to keep things from moving. Use either a brush or a small puff, or a very fluffy brush, very light, which is what I'm doing. So I'm actually just placing using the dabbing method. And then I went in with my MAC Skin Finish Powder in the shade Dark. The MAC Skin Finishing Powder in the shade Dark on the entire area of my face, on my chin, on my lower jawline, my neck area, my forehead. I just apply this powder to set my foundation on my entire face. It's very important that you use a lightweight powder because you don't want your face to be looking all cakey and heavy. This helps to absorb all the excess oil that your skin may later secrete. Okay, and this also help you to have a long lasting makeup, fast, easy makeup routine just for you. Using a finishing powder is very important. If Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder made my under eyes to be bright, even without baking. Okay, so it's important that you know the right products to apply when you are in a hurry, or when you have just few minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes to fix your makeup. Next off is using an eyeliner, and I love this Maybelline Kajal black liner. I love how it makes the inner part of my eyes to be dark, especially the waterliner. You can see the difference between these eyes and these eyes. So when you are in a haste, these are easier tip. These are fast quick method for your morning makeup routine. Okay, especially for beginners. So let's make this like this. Done with your eyeliner, you may want to go in with your mascara. Next is your bronzer and a blush, and I'm using the MAC Skin Finishing Powder. Bronzer to bronze your face because you already know we didn't do contour. As you can see, it's easier to skip contour when you are in a hurry. You want to just bronze your face to have a bit of a depth and warm. Use blush. Blush is very good. It lights up your face. It adds a bit of color. For bronzer, I went in with the Queen CoverGirl bronzer. It helps to warm up the face. Bronzer on your cheek, okay, on your temples and on your jawline. Soft in a circular motion. And then for mature skin, you could use a matte or low shimmer bronzer for deeper tones. Choose a warm bronzer that mimics in natural depth. Okay, you can see how I am gently placing the bronzers. Powder for an eyeshadow, just to add color to your eyelid. Simple, easy morning makeup routine. Perfect for all skin type. Women of color. The Anastasia's Body Glow on my cheek. Just a little bit, and you can actually skip this method. It's nothing serious. Okay, I like to just use my hands to just warm it on my skin. It's holiday season. Let me know if you want me to vlog, and I'm looking forward to a Q&A. Do well to ask me some questions down on the comment sections, and I'll be shooting a Q&A video for you guys. Let me know what kind of video you want to see on this channel, and trust me, this Christmas period I am ready for you guys. If you've watched to this part, please do well to subscribe, share and like. Let me know what kind of video you want to see this holiday on the comment section. As you already know, I have a microblading on, but I just want to use my brow pencil to create a little feather stroke at the beginning of my brows to kind of make it look natural. Okay, and these are one of the reasons why I got my brows microbladed, so that I can just go out when I'm in a hurry. So I can actually go out like this, but for those of you that do not have a microbladed brows, that is why I'm doing this. So you need to sharpen your pencil. Make sure the tip is very tiny, not blunt but sharp, and then you just want to create those feather stroke at the beginning of the brow, which is what I'm doing now. You can see the difference, right? So even for those with microbladed brows, you can actually follow this tip, because during your makeup process you may have cleaned your brows, foundation may have touched your brows, and it might not be looking well defined. So this is it. Easy and simple, no much drama. Very fast makeup routine, morning makeup routine. Lastly, I'm going to be using my lip gloss in Fenty Beauty in the shade 402. Easy, simple makeup tip for you. It's important that before you use your setting spray, make sure you shake it thoroughly, and then you spray in a circular motion so that it gets to all angles and all parts of the face. You can see how this just simply melts off the makeup. For busy mom, busy ladies that are working 9 to 5, they are looking for easy makeup tip. Trust me, this mini fan is one fan that you need. It makes your makeup dry up faster. Okay, that's it. The busy morning makeup routine. If you love this, please hit the like button. And this is it, guys, my busy morning makeup routine. If you love this look, please do well to like, share and subscribe. Share with your friends. It's holiday season, okay? Compliment of the season to you guys. Like, share to your friends, share to your enemies, share to your village people, share to your colleagues, share to any lady, any woman of color out there looking for how to make up themselves by themselves, okay? Guys, on the comment section down below, please let me know your 3 favorite products in this busy morning makeup routine, okay? 10 minutes makeup routine, fast and easy. Let me know your favorite products down below. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys.